To write the equation of a line whose slope is 2 and y-intercept is 5, I'm going to use slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. X and y I want in the equation, but I need to figure out values for m and b. The nice part about this problem is I'm just given those values. The slope is 2, and that's the m, and the y-intercept is 5, that's the b. So the equation of this line is y equals 2x plus 5. When I'm given the slope and a point on that line, and I'm asked to write the equation of a line, I'm still going to go and use slope-intercept form. And since I know the slope, I know specifically that there's going to be a 2 in front of x. But my problem is that I do not know what the b is. I know it goes through this point, but this point doesn't tell me what b is. I can use this point to solve for b though, because I know that in this equation, when I put -5 in for x, and I put 1 in for y, this equation is true. So what does b have to be so that this equation is true for -5, 1? Well, to solve for b, I would need to multiply these two, add 10 to both sides, and I get 11 equals b. So that means my y-intercept of this line is 11. So my final answer, since I have the slope and I solve for the y-intercept, y equals 2x plus 11. Now I'm given 2 points. I have a much harder time now trying to figure out my slope and my y-intercept, but I'm still going to look for these two numbers so I can write the equation. Well, I have 2 points, and I can find the slope of 2 points with a formula we used in a previous section. y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So I'm going to find the slope using this formula. So it would be 9 minus 7 over 1 minus 0, so this is 2 over 1, which is 2. The slope of this equation is 2. Next, I need to find the y-intercept by plugging in a point. It doesn't matter which point you plug in, but you need to plug in a point to solve for b. So I'm going to choose the 1, 9. When x is 1, hold on, let me write my equation here. When x is 1, y is 9. So what does b have to be to make that equation true? 2 times 1 is 2. I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides. 7 equals b. My y-intercept in this equation is 7. So the written equation of this line, the slope was 2 that we found, and the y-intercept was 7. Use the slope equation to find the slope, plug in a point to find